We are here in Jakarta, Indonesia, and today's episode I want to introduce you guys to two of the most popular franchise restaurants here in Indonesia. First is Richeese Factory, which is actually known for their fried chicken. Not only fried chicken, but spicy fried chicken. They have over 160 different locations throughout Indonesia, and I'm really excited to show you guys this chicken. And the second location is going to be Jakarta Donuts, and they have a big selection of donuts, and they're supposed to be amazing donuts, so I'm really excited for that one as well. So let's go ahead and start off with Richeese Factory here in Indonesia. Okay, yeah, we'll try level 5.
Level 5?
Level 5?
Really?
Give it a try. So you can choose a level of spice you want for your fried chicken. And we chose level 5, the ultimate. Also, they come with cheese. So that's, I think, where the name came from. Richeese. All right, guys, we got our order from Richeese Factory, and wow, this looks totally amazing. We got 3 different kinds of chicken. Let me go ahead and show you guys this chicken. We have the original chicken, and this is called the flying spicy chicken. And this is the fire chicken. And we got the level 5 fire spice, along with some chicken skin and some rice. And then here we got the potato wedges here with the level 1 spicy sauce. And then over here, we got this pink lava drink. Also, we got these little things called pom-poms. I don't know what these are. I think they're potato. And then finally, we got this little thing here called percadillo. And I think this is called like a croquette. We're gonna start off with just the original chicken itself, the fried chicken. The chicken batter is really well seasoned. It's really, really good. Also, skin, crispy. The meat is tender. This is good fried chicken. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look how juicy that is. See that juice? Yeah, with fried chicken, I just love the batter and the seasoning of this batter. It's really well done. All right, next we're gonna try these what's called pom-poms. Those little potato bites. I'm saying mashed potatoes that are fried. Here we go, I'm gonna dip this in the cheese sauce. Oh, it's like nacho cheese, but a little bit sweeter than nacho cheese. And next we're gonna try the flying chicken. I'm assuming this is spicy powder. I don't know, but I'm kind of scared to try this one. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna rip off a piece, just kind of see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look how juicy that is. All right, let's give this a try. This is really good. Oh, that has a kick. Whoa. That powder is spicy. They didn't have a level on this one, but the powder is really spicy. Ooh. But it's addictive. The spice level is, I don't know, it is at least a 3 or a 4. Maybe close to a 5. It's really spicy. I'm gonna put this in some of the cheese sauce. Cheese sauce, a little bit sweet, so it helps with the spiciness of the chicken. So I can see why they have the cheese sauce. That kind of mellowed it out really quick. So also spicy and sweet combined flavors, really good flavors. So wow, I like this a lot. Wonderful juicy chicken. This is how to have it right here. Yeah, I'm on fire. My hands are getting all messy, and also I'm sweating, you can see. But wow, I'm kind of scared about the fire level 5. This was spicy. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and quick wash my hands before I move on. But perfect opportunity to smash that like button and subscribe. All right, moving on, we're going to try this percadillo, which is this like potato croquette. It's a little bit crispy on the outside here, and let me go ahead and open this up for you guys so you can see what it looks like. Break this in half. Ooh, look at that. We asked the employee in there and asked them how they make it. They said they make potato and egg. So, really curious to see how this tastes. This is good. Really delicate, like croquette. Got a little ketchup packet. There you go. With the ketchup on here, it's really good. One thing about this original recipe, it's really, really good seasoning on outside of this. Also, I'm gonna try to dip it in some of this cheese sauce too. Oh, the original recipe, really good too. Really crispy on the outside. This is not even fire. This is called flying chicken. I don't know what's the difference because it's making me really, sweat here. Flying chicken and cheese sauce. That's a great combination though. I don't know what it is, but this flying chicken, the outer batter, it seems a bit more crispier than the original recipe. I can say I like this one better. If I had to choose between the original and the flying chicken, I'd choose this one right now. It's really good. You hear that? Seriously, yum. Richeese Factory, chicken, their franchises all over Indonesia. And the people here, really friendly. And the staff also spoke English too, so it really made it easier for us to kind of ask questions and order the chicken here. Really nice. And I'll be sure to leave a link in the description for this place, so if you guys are visiting Jakarta, here you go. Stop by here. Now these potato wedges, they have the sauce on here, and when we ordered this, they asked us if we wanted the level 1 spice or 0 spice, so we took level 1 spice. Let's give it a try. A little bit, yeah, so there's a hint of spice there. It's more like barbecue sauce. Yeah, the sweet barbecue sauce. Oh, wait a minute. There's the heat. Yeah, there's more spice. But yeah, it's like a spicy barbecue sauce to me. All right, guys, we gotta dig into our main entree. We got the combo set. We have the fried chicken skin. Also, we have the level 5 spice. We also have the rice. And it's a good idea they bring rice out for this level 5 spice because I'm probably gonna be wanting to use this rice. There you go. And then it came with this pink drink. It's called the pink lava. I think I'm gonna try this first because I need a drink really bad. Here you go. Oh, that's good. Ooh, nice and sweet. I guess I didn't ask them what it was. It's a really fun drink. It'd be perfect for kids. It has kind of like a bubblegum flavor. This is really nice stuff. Let's go ahead and try some of this chicken skin. It looks like I got a little bit of the fire sauce on here, so we'll see how it goes. Crunchy. Did you hear that? Oh yeah. That's one thing I love about Asia. They have fried chicken skin available. Really, really good. All right, guys, and finally, the main event, the level 5 spicy fire chicken. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of intimidated right now. This is so red. Okay, I don't even know where to bite. All right, here we go. I'll just bite right here. Ready? All right. Oh. It's a slow burn. It's kind of like slowly building up. It's spicy. Oh, it's getting spicier. Oh, it's spicy, guys. This is spicy. Woo. Try again. The sauce is really good though. Oh, fire. Oh. Oh man. Now it's on my lips. Oh yeah, that's spicy. Ooh, I can feel it. Try some of the rice. Oh. Oh boy. No. Level 5, no joke. It's spicy. It just like creeps up on you, and then it's like just keeps up intensifying burn. Ooh, spicy. But it's like this spice is like addictive. I want to eat more of it, but at the same time, I don't want to eat more of it. I'm gonna have some with a little bit with the rice. Guys, this is no joke. This spice is fire. And they weren't joking when they said fire because my lips are burning like fire. But I also heard you're supposed to actually put the chicken with the cheese sauce. So let me go ahead and pull some of this chicken off and use the cheese sauce. All right, guys, cheese sauce with the fire chicken. Oh yeah, that helps a lot. Wow, that made that level 5 more like a level 2 or 3. Really good. I'll tell you what, I was at Mark Ween's restaurant with the level 5 pad krapao, and honestly, this chicken is more spicier than that pad krapao, to be honest with you guys. So way more spicier. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm sweating. Also, my lips are on fire. Oh my goodness. But the flavor is like very addictive. Also, the sauce is a little bit sweet and a little bit more savory too. So all in all, the spice flavor blend of this chicken is really good. But the level 5, you guys don't like spicy, don't get level 5. It's really, really spicy. And when I ordered level 5, the employee's like, level 5? Really? And I was like, yes, please. And she's looking at me like I'm crazy. So she already knew I was going to be in for a rude awakening. But, oh boy. Yeah, so we're going to try to finish this off here. And then we'll move on to our next location, which is going to be Jaco Donuts. So be sure to stick around. All right, here it is, Jaco Donut. Really popular throughout Indonesia. Also, I believe they're international too. Let's look over here. They have also pastries. Look at that red velvet cake, black forest cake. Look at that tiramisu. Also that puff pastry, curry, tuna. Also, can I get one coffee, please?
One coffee?
Yeah.
Which?
Oh, I'm sorry. Just Americano?
Americano?
Mm-hmm. Guys, this is the box of Jaco Donuts. I got half a dozen here of the assorted flavors. Just take a look. There it is, the grand reveal. All right, guys, we got our Jaco Donuts, and we actually had to move. They had a lot of seats already covered, so we decided to come to a little plaza area here near our home where we're staying. Thought it'd be a perfect opportunity to kind of eat outside and also show you guys these Jaco Donuts. But we're gonna dig into the Oreo flavor first, because that's the most popular one I hear of Jaco Donuts. So there you go, guys. This is the Oreo flavor. Looks like a very basic donut, and it has like Oreo crumbs on top of it. So, but let's give it a try. Yeah, this is a really fluffy donut, and it's like kind of a raised donut. Has the Oreo crumbles on the top. Light flavor on the Oreo flavor though, but it's a good donut though. Standard donut, right? Of course, hot day, I get like 3 of them that have glaze on it. So now they're all melted already. So let's get dig into the glazed ones. But here's this one. Has chocolate glaze on the outside with a little bit of a swirl. That is so much cream in there. Oh, it's so good. I love this fluffy cream inside. Nice hot cup coffee, Americano. Oh, it's freshly made. Oh, that's good coffee. I'm the biggest donut fan. Dunkin' Donuts, Krispy Kreme. Those are my 2 favorite in the United States. So Jaco Donuts right now, it's really hitting the spot. All right, I have this one, obviously looks like matcha green tea. This did look pretty earlier, but I actually kind of got stuck to some of the box. But let's bite in. Yes, you can definitely taste the matcha on top of the donut. But they also have this cream in here, a little bit different color, a little bit more brown. I don't know exactly what kind of cream this is, but it goes well with matcha flavor. Actually, the flavor does smell familiar. It's like a mocha. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a mocha. Mocha matcha donut right here. Oh yeah, that's really good. It kind of looks like the Oreo crumbles on top. All these donuts are very fluffy and airy. All have a very standard donut flavor. And that has cream in here as well. So the flavor profile, just a sweet, good flavored donut. I can't specifically narrow down what the flavor is specifically. But the whipped cream is really good. So being that there is multiple locations of Jayco Donuts throughout Southeast Asia and also Saudi Arabia, if you've been here, let me know what your favorite flavor is. Right now, I'm leaning towards the matcha and the mocha. It's really good. Oh, the coffee is really good too. Wow. All right, I have 2 more flavors to try. Now, I think there was a little bit of error. I asked him for a different type of donut, and he gave me this other one here, and it has like crumble. So I don't know what this is. I asked him originally for the cheese one, Cheese-alicious, and I think he might have actually took the wrong one from the one I pointed, so, but it's okay. Let's try this one. Great donut, but I think the flavor profile kind of misses for me a little bit. Another chocolate one with cream filling. All right, I think I remember this one. This one's called Don Mochino. I don't know what the flavor is supposed to be like, but let's give it a try. The mocha flavor. Yeah, I think it's the same kind of cream from the matcha donut I had earlier. Had a great time at Richeese Factory, trying some spicy chicken. That level 5 spicy chicken was crazy fire chicken. So I have to definitely say and warn you guys, if you want to try that chicken, make sure you can handle spice, because that was spicy. And also Jayco Donuts, great donuts. I mean, I don't think you could choose one donut and not be satisfied. They're really, really good. And I probably ate way too much because I'm really on a sugar high right now. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And as always, guys, I appreciate your support. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you back next video. Bye-bye.